Welcome to the fascinating world of quantum computing. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to understand how quantum technologies are revolutionizing the way we process information. Quantum computing is not just a buzzword, it's a groundbreaking field that leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to solve problems that are impossible for classical computers. From cryptography to drug discovery, quantum computing holds the promise of transforming industries and our daily lives. Let's start by exploring what makes quantum computers so unique and why they're generating so much excitement in the tech world. Quantum computing is a new paradigm that uses quantum bits or qubits instead of traditional bits. Unlike classical bits, which can be either 0 or 1, qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously thanks to the phenomenon called superposition. This allows quantum computers to process vast amounts of information at once, making them incredibly powerful for certain tasks. As we dive deeper, you'll see how this fundamental difference opens up a world of possibilities that were previously unimaginable. Superposition is one of the core principles behind quantum computing. Imagine being able to flip a coin and have it land as both heads and tails at the same time. That's the magic of superposition. In quantum computers, qubits can represent multiple combinations of 0 and 1 simultaneously, allowing for parallel processing on a massive scale. This is what gives quantum computers their extraordinary computational power, enabling them to tackle complex problems much faster than classical machines. Another fascinating quantum phenomenon is entanglement. When qubits become entangled, the state of one instantly influences the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This interconnectedness allows quantum computers to perform coordinated operations that are impossible for classical systems. Entanglement is a key resource for quantum communication and computation, making it a cornerstone of quantum technology. Just like classical computers use logic gates, quantum computers use quantum gates to manipulate qubits. These gates perform operations that change the state of qubits, allowing for complex computations. Quantum circuits are built by connecting these gates in sequence, creating algorithms that can solve specific problems. The flexibility and power of quantum gates are what make quantum algorithms so unique and efficient. How do quantum computers differ from classical ones? While classical computers process information in a linear fashion, quantum computers can explore many possibilities at once. This means that for certain tasks like factoring large numbers or simulating molecules, quantum computers can outperform even the most powerful supercomputers. However, they're not meant to replace classical computers, but to complement them in solving specific complex problems. Quantum algorithms are specially designed to take advantage of quantum phenomena like superposition and entanglement. Famous examples include Shor's algorithm for factoring and Grover's algorithm for searching databases. These algorithms can solve problems exponentially faster than classical algorithms, opening up new frontiers in cryptography, optimization, and more. As research progresses, we're discovering even more ways quantum algorithms can be applied. Building a quantum computer is a huge engineering challenge. Quantum hardware relies on maintaining qubits in delicate quantum states, which requires extremely low temperatures and precise control. There are several approaches to building qubits, including superconducting circuits, trapped ions, and photonic systems. Each technology has its own strengths and challenges, and researchers are constantly innovating to improve stability and scalability. One of the leading technologies in quantum hardware is superconducting qubits. These are tiny circuits made from superconducting materials that can carry current without resistance. By cooling them to near absolute zero, scientists can create and control quantum states. Companies like IBM and Google are using this technology to build some of the world's most advanced quantum processors. Another promising approach is trapped ion qubits. In this method, individual ions are suspended in electromagnetic fields and manipulated with lasers. Trapped ion systems offer high precision and long coherence times, making them ideal for certain quantum applications. Companies like IonQ and Honeywell are pioneering this technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in quantum computing. Photonic quantum computers use particles of light, or photons, as qubits. These systems can operate at room temperature and are naturally suited for communication tasks. Photonic quantum computers are still in the early stages, but they offer exciting possibilities for building scalable and robust quantum networks in the future. Quantum systems are extremely sensitive to their environment, which makes error correction a major challenge. Quantum error correction techniques use multiple physical qubits to represent a single logical qubit, allowing errors to be detected and corrected without destroying the quantum information. This is a critical step toward building reliable, large-scale quantum computers. Quantum supremacy refers to the point where a quantum computer can solve a problem that's practically impossible for classical computers. In 2019, Google announced that its quantum processor had achieved this milestone by performing a specific calculation much faster than any supercomputer could. While this doesn't mean quantum computers are ready for everyday use, it's a significant proof of concept. One of the most talked about applications of quantum computing is cryptography. Quantum computers could potentially break widely used encryption methods, prompting the development of new, quantum-resistant algorithms. At the same time, quantum technology enables new forms of secure communication, such as quantum key distribution, which is theoretically unbreakable. Quantum computers can simulate molecules and chemical reactions at an atomic level, which is extremely challenging for classical computers. This capability could revolutionize drug discovery, allowing scientists to design new medicines more efficiently and accurately. Pharmaceutical companies are already investing in quantum research to accelerate the development of life-saving treatments. Optimization problems are everywhere, from logistics to finance. Quantum computers can analyze countless possibilities simultaneously, finding optimal solutions much faster than classical computers. This has huge implications for industries like transportation, supply chain management, and investment strategies, where efficiency and speed are critical. Access to quantum computers is still limited, but cloud-based quantum computing platforms are making it easier for researchers and developers to experiment with quantum algorithms. Companies like IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon now offer quantum computing services through the cloud, democratizing access and accelerating innovation in the field. Despite the excitement, quantum computing faces significant challenges. Qubits are fragile and prone to errors, and scaling up quantum systems is a major engineering hurdle. There's also a shortage of quantum talent and a need for new software tools. Overcoming these obstacles will require collaboration across disciplines and continued investment in research and development. Future of quantum computing is incredibly promising. As hardware improves and new algorithms are developed, we can expect quantum computers to tackle even more complex problems. Governments and private companies around the world are investing heavily in quantum research, signaling that this technology will play a major role in shaping the future of computing. Quantum computing isn't just about technology, it's about its impact on society. From revolutionizing industries to creating new jobs and ethical questions, quantum technologies will influence many aspects of our lives. Preparing for this future means investing in education, policy, and public awareness to ensure that the benefits of quantum computing are shared widely. Summary: quantum computing is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to transform technology and society. From the basics of qubits and superposition to real-world applications and future challenges, we've covered the key aspects of the exciting technology. As research continues, quantum computing will unlock new possibilities and reshape our understanding of what computers can do. Stay curious and keep exploring the quantum frontier.